Hello everybody and welcome back to another video to do with Unreal Engine. Now I'm going to continue with the creating the menu and essentially how you set it all up in Unreal Engine. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the main menu that we're using for our game. So when you press play, as you can see by there then, you have this and you can actually press the buttons as well. So essentially I'm going to show you how you can set that up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where our location is. So basically my stuff is in the menu section over by here. And the first thing you're going to have to realize is that you have to make your own game mode to do with this. You need to make your own game mode so that it's able to display it in the end. However, let me get up the menu widget at the moment. So, I need to stop that. This is the main menu. This is what it looks like at the moment. And this is what it looks like at the moment. And if you come over to here, we have all these buttons by here. And what these do is, like you can see here, you have an image for the main box here. So this is for the template. The vertical box is where you can place your buttons in, and then you can put the buttons in here. So essentially what you need to do now is when you come over to here, you get different options based on the different settings you want. I'm just going to move my face a moment. So you can see here you have the normal image, so normal, hover, and pressed. So essentially what this means is that the normal button is going to be like this. So that's normal by there. So if I bring it up again, so nope, wrong one. This is the normal state, and when you go over it comes up with the Nordic symbols. That's the hovered state. So yep. And essentially what you want to do is you need different images for all this. And you can see at the bottom where my areas are, you can see the neutral exit, the hovered, and all that, all those menus by that. And essentially those are the buttons you're going to need. So if we go into our, into the menu widget again now, all you need is different neutral play and hovered sections. And literally all you need to do is, like, with that, you can then go over and create hovered bindings. But essentially what you want to do then is when you go into the menu widget, on the designer with the button, based on the button you want, you go into the graph, and as you can see here on my screen, is that when on clicked, when the button is clicked, it's going to load up my main level. So that's everything ranging from, our final level. So you press the button and that opens the main level. But you can't just do that because it doesn't work fully like that. You need to make your own game mode in order to display the game. So you need to create a game mode. Whoops. You need to create a game mode for your game, and essentially, as you can see here, we got when the game begins, it will load this map, and then you can create a menu widget. So it's going to load up the menu widget that we've created, and it's going to add it to the viewport. And that's essentially all the coding you need. So you need to create your own game mode originally, so game BP or whatever. You need to create a menu using buttons. You have to have a normal and a neutral state, so that it shows it's hovered. Inside of the graph editor for the button for start game or play, you need a on-clicked event, and then you need to put open level. And with the name of the level, you need to put it exactly how it's named, otherwise it won't work. And then within the graph, the event graph for your game mode, you need to put event begin play, create menu widget, and then whatever the name of it is. Change the class to that menu widget that you have, so the main menu you want, and then you add it to the viewport. And overall, that's the entire process of setting everything up. So if we play it, I mean, if I exit out of here now, and I go into, whoops, I just closed it. if I go into here and then I press play, it then opens up my level afterwards, and it should. But yeah, there we go. As you can see, it opened up my level. My thing crashed a little bit then, but yeah, so it works, and that's basically all of it. So this is for proof of creating a menu and putting it into Unreal Engine, and that's about it. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time.